Saraswati Sisukunj Vaghwala Borsad, English Medium Standard 7, Subject Science, Semester 2, Unit Test 2 Revision. Today we are going to see question number 2AB and question number 1AB. This is your video number 3. So let's see first question number 2A. Here, true and false you need to write here. First one, electric switches can be arranged anywhere in an electric circuit, right? So yes, look here. Let's take example of this electric circuit. If I'm keeping my switch here, right, and battery is connected here, my battery is connected here, right, and bulb is here, then also I can keep switch here. If I'll keep switch here, then also, you know, switch turn and off, turn on and turn off is required to switch on the bulb. So yes, we can keep anywhere the switches. See answer. So it is true. Next one, in closed circuit, electric current does not flow in any part of the circuit. Closed circuit means when the switch is on. So when the switch is on, the current will flow. So statement is false. See the next one, the time period of a simple pendulum does not depends on its length. So actually time period depends on the length. So it is false. See, real image cannot be obtained on a screen. So actually real image only can obtain on a screen. Virtual we cannot obtain. So this statement is also false. Next one, a concave mirror always forms a real image. Concave mirror forms a real image, but it is not always, right? It does not form always. Sometimes when the object is near to the mirror, it forms virtual image, right? So that is why statement is false. Right, let's see number 6. So the basic unit of time is hour. So basic unit of time is second we are using, right? So that is false. Next one, faster vehicle has a higher speed. So yes, faster means it cover more distance in some time, right? So faster means there is a high speed, correct? Let's go here. 8 number, every object moves with the constant speed. So it is false. Every object which is in your surrounding doesn't move with the constant speed. So this statement is false. Sometimes electric cells are arranged to near the other cell in the holder, right? There is a cell holder you can observe in the remote. So that is yes, it is arranged nearby one another. So it is true. So the next one, magnetism of electromagnet is permanent. So electromagnet means whenever you are passing current from the coil, so it behaves as an electromagnet. But when you will switch off the current, when you will not allow current to flow from the coil, so it will not behave as a magnet. So it is not permanent, right? It is temporary. So the statement is false. See the next one here, 11 number, an electric fuse is used to save energy. The purpose of keeping the fuse to keep our, appliances safe, right? So this statement is wrong. It doesn't save the energy. Next one, 12 number, for making an electric fuse we should use a wire which melt easily. Actually the purpose of keeping this is, you can understand every wire is not kept in a fuse, right? So there are many other wires which melt easily, like plastic wire. So will you keep that? No, right? So here I just want to say you that every wire which melt easily you cannot keep, because it will not hold the regular current which comes in your house. So any wire which melt easily we cannot keep over there in a fuse. So the statement is false. 13 number, image formed by the plane mirror is smaller than the size of the object. No, right? Plane mirror, we are regularly observing ourselves in the plane mirrors, right? Image. So it is not small, it is as the same size. Okay. So statement is false. See the 14 number, in an open electric circuit, electric current does not flow in any part of the circuit. Open means switch is off. So yes, it is correct, right? So it is true. See number 15, image formed by convex mirror is always virtual. So again I am reading, image formed by convex mirror is always virtual. They are talking about convex mirror. It is always virtual, so it is correct, right? Okay, so see here, true. Now see, let's go for the next one, that is question number 2B. Answer the following questions in one word. Okay, first one, in which unit is the speed of train generally measured? So if you are talking about speed of train, so it is measured in kilometer per hour. Okay, next one, object covers the distance of 1 kilometer in 1 minute. What is the speed in the kilometer per hour? So if you want to find out this, what we require, say 60 kilometers. Why? Because 1 kilometer in 1 minute. So if you will do this, so in 60 minutes, how many kilometers? In 60 minutes, how many kilometers? 1 kilometer 1 minute, 60 minutes 60 kilometers. So this is how it is get done, 60 kilometers per hour. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, right? I hope you understand. Number 3, what kind of motion is exhibited by a freely falling body? Freely falling body can fall anywhere, right? So what will be our answer? Non-uniform motion. It is not uniform motion, right? It can fall anywhere. Okay, in any kind of it, the speed, we cannot determine a proper thing. Okay, number 4, which type of magnet is used in an electric bell? So that is electromagnet. Number 5, what is the symbol of cell? Easily, one, like here, one is negative, the other one is positive. So this is the symbol of cell. See here, this is how we draw the symbol of cell. Okay, let's see number 6. Name the safety device which is used to prevent fire at home. So easy, it is fuse. Okay, what is the symbol of electric battery? So first we need to draw a cell, right, which is like this. Then dots, again we will draw, and here. So this meaning there are many cells connected, right? So this is the symbol of battery. Here you can see in the answer. See here, next one. How many types of spherical mirrors are there? So there are 2 types of spherical mirrors. One is convex mirror and other one is concave mirror. Okay, see the next one. 2 types of, right? Okay, see next one, 9 number. In which type of mirror the image form can be obtained on the screen? So in concave mirror. Number 10, which type of mirror does the dentist use for examining teeth? So same thing, concave mirror only, right? Because image appear very clear and bigger than the size of the tooth. So that is why concave mirror. See the next one. Name the triangular glass solid that splits white light into the different 7 colors. So that is prism, right? Prism separates 7 different colors. See number 12. Which color is formed by mixing 7 colors of the rainbow? If you mix all 7 colors, it forms a new color, correct? We don't know the name, no, but it is white color. See number 13. Of what is the coil of a wire used in the electric heater? Now for heater, we require a wire which produce heat when current passes from that wire. So the best thing is copper wire, right? So copper wire used in a heater. Number 14, which type of lens is used as a magnifying glass? Which lens is used in magnifying glass? So that is convex lens. Number 15, in which direction is the rainbow seen in the evening? If you're talking about evening, sun will be in the west, so your rainbow will form in the east direction, right? So this is your one word answer. Let's go for question number 1, that is choose the correct options. Now here we will try to see the options. There will be answer. We will try to see that why we should not select the other options, right? Or why the answer which is given, which is here bold, right? Why that is the answer. See first one. Which of the following is example of circular motion? Circular motion means, right? Okay, now see here. Motion of moving fan, motion of pendulum. So motion of pendulum we know. How is the motion of pendulum? From here to here, right? That is the motion of pendulum, right? Motion of swing, that is also similar like pendulum. Now motion of mosquito in air, there is non-uniform motion, but motion of moving fan is a circular motion. See the second number question. Which of the following natural event is not repeated during the definite time period? Which event does not get repeated? So see here, one sunrise to next sunrise, it is also getting repeated. The next no moon day, after a no moon day, it is also after regular period of time. Each revolution of the earth around the sun, it is also after some interval of time, right? So the last one is there. the next earthquake after an earthquake, so that there is no any fixed time for that. Okay, see the third one. Which part in 1 second of 1 nanosecond of 1 second? Which part is 1 nanosecond of 1 second? So that is thousandth millionth part, right? Thousandth millionth part. 1 nanosecond means it is the thousandth millionth part of 1 second. See number 4. Which of the following was not included in the time measuring instruments before the pendulum clock was invented? Right? Before the pendulum clock, what was the thing which was not used as a time measuring? So sundial was also used, water clock was also used, sand clock, only stopwatch, right? Stopwatch invented after the regular clock or after the pendulum clock, we can say that. Okay, so that is why stopwatch is your answer. Number 5. Time period of a simple pendulum depends upon. Simple period, time period for the simple pendulum. In one word answer, you have already seen that says it depends on the length of the pendulum. Length of the pendulum means the thread that is connected with the bob. That is your length of the pendulum. Okay. Let's see number 6 here. So in which of the following instrument electric cell is not used? In which cell is not used? So is in torch we are using, in TV also, in clock also we are using. Only fuse is there in which we are not using cell. Okay, see the next one. Which of the following device work on the principle of thermal effect of electric current? Thermal effect, right? Okay, now see here, thermal means which produces heat, right? Heating effect of electric current we can say. So that is electric geyser, because we use that geyser to heat our water. Electromagnet is also not work on the thermal effect. Same electric switch and electric cell also does not work on the thermal effect. Okay, number 8. On which effect of the electric current does a fuse work? Right, that is also a thermal effect of electric current, because when there is a heavy electric power, so that fuse wire will melt, right, and it will stop the supply of current in your house. Number 9. Which of the following turns off automatically when current in the circuit exceed then the safe limit? Which will be which switch will be turn off? That is MCB, right? Not electromagnet, not coil, not CFLs, it is MCB, right? Number 10. Which part of the electric bell strike the gong? So that is hammer will strike the gong. Okay, let's see 11 number. Which type of image is obtained in the plane mirror? Plane mirror, which kind of image will obtain? So that is erect, means straight. Which type of image of an object cannot be obtained in a plane mirror? Cannot, it is cannot be obtained. The 12 number is. So see here, real image is not obtained. The other options are virtual. It is virtual, we can obtain. Erect also we can obtain. It is of the same size of an object, but it is not real, right? The image that you are getting in the mirror, it is not the real image. Number 13. What is not true about image obtained in a plane mirror? Now there are some statements. See here. First one, the image obtained behind the mirror, it is true. The image can be obtained on a screen, so that is the false thing. Other options. The image is of the same size as the object, that is also a true thing. Number D. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in a front, right? The distance between the image and the object, right? When you are seeing yourself from the mirror and when you are seeing yourself, means your image inside the mirror, the distance is same, no? So that other A, C and D is true, but B is false, that it cannot be obtained on a screen, and it is written here, this can be obtained on a screen. Let's see number 14. Which of the following surface acts like a mirror? Means polished surface, right? Which surface will behave like a mirror? See here first. Shiny surface, polished surface, both shiny and polished surface, or rough surface. So look, polished surface means like wooden surface, but woods are getting polished. We can say it is polished, but it will not behave like a mirror. shiny surface, like if you talk about utensils which is in your home, right, those surfaces will behave like a mirror. Okay, act like a mirror. Let's see number 15. With what is the image always obtained virtual? What is the thing by which we can get the virtual image? So here, see, options are given: concave mirror, concave lens, convex lens, and none of the above. Now see here, concave mirror and convex lens, these both are similar, because with the help of this both we can form real image. Concave mirror and convex lens. Now none of the above means nothing, but here we have one option, that is concave lens. So here with the help of concave lens we can form a virtual image. Okay, so now let's see, fill in the blanks. There is question number 1b. First one, motion of a bullock cart on a straight road is blank motion. Bullock cart on a straight road, so that is linear motion we can say, right? Number second, distance covered by an object in a unit time. Distance covered by an object with a unit time, it is known as speed, right? Okay, next, time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation, that is called time period or periodic time. Okay. Number 4, the heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute, right? In 1 minute it throbs for 72 times. Number 5, the time interval for 20 oscillation of pendulum is 36 seconds. Now total oscillation is 20, right? And time required is 30 seconds. Then what is required to find out? That is time period or periodic time. What we will do? Time, that is 36 divided by 20, right? 36 divided by 20. Okay, if you will do this, what will be your answer? Let me tell you here. I want to convert this 36 to and 10, right? 36 denominator 2 multiply by 10. Now 2 18s are 36. When what is remain? 18 upon 10. So what will be your answer? 1 upon 8 is your answer. This is your time period or periodic time, 1.8 seconds. See here answer, 1.8 seconds. Second is already written in the blank. Okay, see next. In the bulb there is a thin wire. In the bulb there is a thin wire. What is this called? Now don't confuse with bulb and fuse. Here bulb means it is filament. They are talking about filament. 7 number. The electric bell works on the blank effect of electric current. So that is magnetic effect of electric current, right? What is full form of MCB? That is miniature circuit breaker. It breaks the circuit. That is why it is known as miniature circuit breaker, right? Number 9. Blank are used to open and close the electric circuit. Open circuit and close circuit. How we are doing it? What is this? It is switch, right? So it is switch. See next one, 10 number. Changes in the direction of light after striking a mirror. That is reflection, right? That is called reflection of light. Let's see next. 11 number. Real image is always inverted, right? It is always inverted. 12 number. The image formed by blank mirror is always virtual and small. That is, there is mirror. So there is convex mirror, right? Not concave but convex mirror. Blank lens is called diverging lens. Which lens is called diverging lens? Diverging means diverge the light. So here it is concave lens. Let's see 14 number. The instruments that is used for measuring distance. Which instrument is used? Which is covered by vehicle, right? Distance which is covered by vehicle. In the beginning, I think video number 2 we talk about this. That is odometer. Okay, see this next one. A blank is used to read very small letters. What is used to read very small letters? Magnifying glass, or you can say convex lens, right? So this was your question number 2A, B, and question number 1A, B. I hope you understand whole revision. If you have any question, you can ask me during the live class of revision. Thank you so much.